Okay, for those of you that have been following, we're working on replacing this old fence, and second phase will be replacing this deck. And what we've got here, we put in 4x4s, concreted in all the way down. Today we'll cut these to height. Not 100% sure what height we want to go with, but there'll be something around here, I guess. And then I need to start tearing this old fence out. And then we'll start putting horizontal boards on that we milled on the sawmill yesterday. But we're also going to stain the poles black and then have the cross boards natural, maybe flamed, just to give them a little tint, something like the barn boards there. So stay tuned. Life in TN.